Hidden deep within the world's oldest forests lives a creature older than fear itself.
No claws, no venom, only patience, power, and perfect silence.
This is the story of the Python Emperor. Deep in the heart of the ancient forest, a world of secrets remains hidden. He rules the forest floor and the canopy above. His vision is fixed. His goal is clear. The forest goes quiet when he arrives.
He can wait for days or even weeks.
He sees heat where others see only darkness.
A heat map of life in a cold-blooded world.
A subtle warning that is rarely heard.
The chemical signature of prey is detected.
Exploring every corner of his vast empire. The hunt is about to begin. This is the story of the Silent Emperor. Found across the tropical regions of the world.
Some grow as long as 30 feet. Heavy, powerful, and incredibly strong.
The fiercest of all python species. Their bones are built for extreme expansion.
Shedding the old to embrace the new.
A ghostly reminder of his presence.
After the shed, he is at his most beautiful. Defying gravity with sheer strength.
When he is not hungry, he is at peace.
The calm before the storm.
An innocent target enters the kill zone.
The ambush is perfectly set.
Nature's instinct senses hidden danger.
Tensing up for the final strike. The strike. Faster than a blink of an eye. Every exhale makes the grip tighter. The battle is over. The feast begins.
A biological marvel of expansion. Muscle and gravity work together.
This meal will last for weeks. Digestion now begins.
Even bones are no match for his stomach.
Exhausted, but satisfied.
The forest grows quiet once again.
A rare moment of connection.
Motherhood carries great responsibility.
Preparing a cradle for the future. New life begins. A mother's unbreakable embrace. She generates heat to protect them.
For 60 days, she does not eat. Life is forming inside.
The first break of freedom. Welcome to the world, little hunter.
An explosion of new life.
Her role is complete. Every scent is new. Survival begins immediately.
Learning the ways of the world. A new generation is born.
A legacy continues.
But their world is shrinking.
Now, the hunter becomes hunted.
Beauty becomes a curse.
Returned home.
They help control pests.
A sight of pure majesty.
The silent guardian. Perfect design, shaped by time.